Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register with Alpha Trading Prop Trading. So to do this, after entering the TradingFinder website, go to the review section, then enter the PropFirm section, and from the available prop firms, select Alpha Trading. After clicking on the Go to Website option, you'll be taken to the official website of this prop trading firm. Now, on this page, you need to click on this option, and to start the account creation process, click on the Create Account option. On this page, you need to enter information such as your first name, last name, email, and email confirmation, along with your mobile number, zip code, city, province, country, and your full address. After entering all this information, click on the Register button. After clicking on the Register button, a confirmation email has been sent to you. You need to go to your email inbox and click on this option in the email. Your email has been successfully verified. You need to check your specific primary email designated inbox. Promptly again to establish the secure password for your personal account. Open this email and click on the Set Up Password option. On this page, you need to enter a password. It's recommended to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and then repeat the password in the field below. Your password has been set successfully. Now on this page, you can log into your account by entering your email and password. Alright, your account has been successfully created and you have confirmed your email and password. That was the tutorial on creating an account on Prop Trading Alpha Trading. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.